creativity, not the creativity like let's make an image that's artistic or music. It seems to me that our viewers would be interested in this, that, there's an idea out there, AI is going to take your job. And I've also heard that AI is not going to take your job, but the person who has AI will take the person's job who doesn't have AI, meaning understanding, able to utilize it as a tool. That's a little bit of a thesis. But what I want to hear from you, A, your idea on that, but B, a little bit of the creative side. To me, as these low-hanging fruit or redundancies or these tasks that can get us locked up, when those are taken away, what happens typically is we're more efficient, and then we just fill the vacuum or paint the canvas with more stuff to do. I see that's a real opportunity for the creative aspect, meeting professionals, business owners, small business owners, which are our audience. And I want to hear your responses to this as well, that now they have an idea to sit and think a little bit more and be more creative and bring that creativity to their work. What are your thoughts on that?
So what you're talking about is the price performance curve. So when something is expensive, you don't do a lot of it and it's exclusive, right? When it gets cheap, you do a lot of it and it's not exclusive. So what we're talking about are these things that used to be hard that none of us did, right, are suddenly less expensive and easy to do. So I think about, 10 years ago, right, having an app for your show was like, TED did that. We don't do that, right? And now everyone has an app for their show. And it dramatically improves my experience as a customer. It makes it easy for you to change scheduling later in the event, all of that stuff. And so what we're going to find is that the complexity, the challenges of planning events are going to decrease. But I think that changes the types of events we do. First of all, maybe we do a lot more smaller, intimate events of high quality instead of big generic events of big generic quality.
Mass scale, yeah.
Maybe we start, in those mass scale events, we figure out we're able to start to customize it to bring, birds of a feather together for dinner who didn't know each other, right? To do all of those things that we want to do at some crazy thing like, CES or IAPA. All of a sudden we can start to have that intimacy of a smaller, 1,000-person event. That would be amazing, right?
Yeah.
Those are the things that become possible. And so it's not just about having splashier shows and better graphics, and all that's going to happen too, but it's about really creating more value, more meaning, right? Moving it from trying to find the person you want to do the transaction with to creating that transformation for those people.